Okay, hi guys. Here we go. Let's try our first lecture. What we're going to do is I'm going to be talking about a portion of the special senses. I'm not going to talk about all of it in one video because I don't want them to be too big. So what I'm going to talk about in this first video is receptors, sensory receptors in general, and talk a little bit about pain, and then we're going to talk about your sense of smell and your sense of taste. And again, this is going to be a relatively short video, but we're just giving it a try. So we start out with what are the different types of sensory receptors, and we have different forms of them. And the simplest is going to be free nerve endings. So I'm going to write up on the board the 4 different types of sensory structures that we have. We have free nerve endings. Okay, so let's see if you can see what I've written on the board. We have 4 different forms that sensory receptors are going to take. We have the free nerve endings. Now these are just nerves, and when they are damaged or they're exposed to either extreme hot or extreme cold, they send a signal of pain. And so if you think about when you jump into a swimming pool for the first time, it's a shock to your system. It's actually kind of painful, and that is from a free nerve ending. We also have mechanical receptors. We'll talk about those when we talk about hearing and equilibrium. Now, what mechanical receptors do is when they are bent, when they change shape, they are going to send a signal, and that's how you're going to sense balance, and hearing is sensed in that manner. We have chemical receptors. These are going to bind to various chemicals and send signals. This is taste and your sense of smell. And then, of course, photoreceptors. Now, when we talk about pain receptors, these are also known as nociceptors. Nociceptors. Let me write that on the board.